can't get over how she set me free. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, a big mistake I know I made, hanging around. I know that I should be up and down, painting the town. Thought of everything, lazy. Oh, lonesome me. I bet she's not like me. She's out facing free, flirting with the boys with all her charm. But I still love her so. No, brother, don't you know? Welcome her right back in my arms. Must be somewhere I can lose these lonesome blues. Forget about the past and find somebody new. All of everything made it easy. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, pick it Oh, I bet you're not like me. She's out and fancy free, flirting with the boys with all her charm. Well, I think of her too. Brother, don't you know? I'd welcome her right back in my arms. There must be somewhere I can lose lonesome blues. Forget about the past and find somebody new. All of everything is easy. Oh, lonesome me. Oh, lonesome me.
Damn.
That's tough.
Slow start, but once we got out of the ditch, we got going. Welcome to Carmine's Country Corner. We're up here at Bob Smith Toyota and doing another show. No guest artists this week. I was so busy, Paul, at the upholstery shop, I couldn't even make a phone call. So Cody did call me yesterday and said, hey, I want to come up and play. And I said, great, come on up. And then 5 minutes before the show, he called and said, I can't. I said, well, thanks for calling and told me you want to. But anyway, he's not here. So
You got a better offer.
we got a mic set up. We got a Zamp. I was all ready to go. Mr. Swan, how you doing?
I'm fantastic.
You look
thought
good.
I thought Cody was going to be here.
I did too. I was all excited and everything. And
You know, he called last week. No.
yeah,
Anyway, it's
he'll be here next week, I'm sure.
snowing really bad in Los Angeles right now. We got about, what, 5 feet
At least.
at least.
Yep.
So,
And Palmer, you got here 6 minutes before the gig. You would what else were you doing today?
Just hanging out with the cats.
Really? Just yeah.
Just hanging out, having a
That's what I'm doing tonight, hanging out with you cats.
No, he actually had a gig earlier. It was a jam session. And all I got to say is,
Okay, anyway, we're going to jam tonight because here we are. Okay, Paul, you just got back from Texas last
I
night.
did.
And tell me a little bit about that. Why
was-
did you go to Texas?
Oh, because I was too warm here. Texas was 17 degrees down in Dallas. But no, I went down there because our son Scott was retiring from the Air Force, and he had a nice retirement ceremony and
That
and
is
a
so
terrific,
wonderful.
party, and we had a bunch of get-togethers, and friends came in from all over the country and all
And
over the world.
the way I understand it, all your children went with you and their
They-
families.
They were all there.
So how proud was that
Yeah, it
for
was
you
great.
to have the original group all there?
All the kids and all the grandkids.
how long was he in the Air Force?
20 years.
He did a 20
Maybe-
year. I
maybe
remember
20.
when he went. I remember the day he was born.
Well, you do. You
Shoot, Scott, man.
you saw him right after that.
I did.
we brought him. I think Colleen brought him over for you to check him out, make sure he was
We,
okay.
we were all at Love's years ago, and Colleen was pregnant with Scott.
Yep.
And my brother Tony, Paul and I, and Tony and Buddy, and a bunch of us would meet at Love's up here in Tahunga. The whole building's gone now, but Love's Restaurant. Anyway, we would meet for lunch.
Yep.
Paul, the brothers were getting together. Come on up. We'd all sit and talk. Tony comes walking on one of those plastic big wheels or
Yeah.
whatever they call
Yeah.
it. The big wheel in
Little
front with the pedals. And
Tricycle with pedals. Yeah.
he says, here, he says,
He hadn't been born yet.
he
Scott
wasn't even born
yet.
yet. He says he won't jump on it right away, but he will in a few months of a year or so, and he'll have a good time. And he rolled the hell out of that thing.
Yeah. He said, "You must think it's funny bringing a tricycle for a newborn, but he'll ride it someday."
He will.
And he did.
He did. Boy,
When I
Scott.
was playing-
Scott, we love you.
I was playing deep in the heart of Texas. There's a little background noise. when
That's
we-
why it sounded so good. All right, Paul, what do you got? We talked enough.
Let's do Sea of Heartbreak in key of G. One, two, one. The lights in the harbor don't shine for me. I'm like a lost ship adrift on the sea. Yeah, sea of heartbreak, lost love and loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine. How I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on a sea of tears, sea of heartbreak. How did I lose you? Where did I fail? Why did you leave me? Always to sail, yeah, the sea of heartbreak, lost love and loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine. How I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on a sea of tears, sea of heartbreak. Oh, what I'd give to sail back to shore, back to your arms once more. Come to my rescue, come here to me. Take me and keep me away from the sea. Yeah, sea of heartbreak, lost love, loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine. How I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on a sea of tears, sea of heartbreak. Oh, what I'd give to sail back to shore, back to your arms once more. Oh, come to my rescue. Come here to me. Take me and keep me away from the sea. Yeah, sea of heartache, lost love, loneliness, memories of your caress, so divine. How I wish you were mine again, my dear. I'm on a sea of tears, sea of heartache. Sea of heartbreak. Sea of heartbreak.
We nailed it, except for those little minor major 7 chord that was in there, like, and I wasn't quite catching it, but we were
Okay to
close
me.
enough. Huh?
Sounded okay to me.
Yeah, I fooled you. I fooled myself, too.
People don't know.
Gary.
We don't know this stuff.
Gary, you got another one?
Yeah, we're winging everything for
Oh,
all
having
those
fun.
people
Been
at
doing
home.
that for 3.5 years. Carmine's Country Corner.
Yeah, now would be a good time to go get some popcorn. I'm gonna do a song.
His son just retired from the Air Force, dude. So
Yeah, we just talked
Hey, listen, my dad.
Winging it, yeah.
My
Scott's
dad was
been-
in the Air Force. He was a professor at the Air Force Academy.
Let's do it.
So I spent a lifetime in the Air Force.
nice.
I didn't get no retirement check. Okay, if you'd like to hear something special, don't forget to write in the Carmine's Country Corner, and we'll guarantee to maybe do it. Here's a Merle Haggard tune that I wrote for Merle. I didn't do it. I could have done it maybe. Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, think I'd get by. With only these human tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. And crying time on me had just begun. I said today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. I'll take two, Carmine.
Paul Marshall. Baby.
Carmine Pardo, y'all. Lord, what a fool I was. Think that I'd get by.
Crazy there.
With only these
Think about it.
few million tears I cried. I should have known the worst yet to come. Crying time for me just begun. Everybody at home, today I started loving you again. Come on now. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you long enough, letting my heartache mend. Today I started loving you again.
Damn,
Yeah, good. Come on.
we got a little excited on that one there. You know, you couldn't get away with that anywhere else. Let's put it that way.
Because it's snowing in L.A.
That's right.
We've lost our mind. Everybody's going, is it snowing? Look, call the weather people.
1, 2, 3. Blue, broken-hearted me, holding to a memory. If I had you, I would not be blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, blue and broken-hearted me. And I never felt so down and out. Never felt so all without. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue, blue, blue. Yeah, go, baby. I can't explain the way I feel. Every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to do, it's blue and broken-hearted me. Since you've been gone, no matter what I try to be, it's blue, broken-hearted me. My nose was running the whole time. Paul, what do you got?
All right.
Coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. We're having just a band tonight, and I'm kind of having fun.
This is great.
We're just, just doing an hour in country music. That's all, having fun. Hope you all doing good out there. Everybody's happy. Everything's going okay. And it got rained out at Knott's Berry Farm yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
And then they called me this morning and said, you want to work today? And I said, well, I got the show, and I don't want to.
Yeah.
I want to do the show. I like being with my friends and doing music. So they got other people they can use down there. I'll be down there next week.
Yeah.
So we're having fun. All right, Gary, don't say anything. Okay, good, Paul.
Okay.
Damn nose is running. What do you got?
So, yeah. In the twilight glow, I see her. blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, and only memories remain. And through the ages I'll remember blue eyes crying in the rain.
Go, Gary, go.
Now my hair has turned to silver, and all my life I've loved in vain. And I can see her star in heaven, blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again in the land that knows no parting. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Her blue eyes crying in the rain.
Great
Yeah, so
job.
come on.
Again, he did a good job.
Are you going down to NAMM this
You
year?
got another one?
Yeah, but I'm asking you a question. You going to
Me?
NAMM? Yeah.
I don't think so.
His brother makes one of the finest harmonicas in the world.
Stevie
Phil
Wonder
Harmonic.
plays it.
Is he gonna be there?
I don't think he's gonna be there. If he was, I'd go down, but he's not.
I don't know.
I think I'm gonna stay clear this year. I'm gonna be here for 40 years, so.
I'll be down there. It's the National Association of Music Manufacturers, for people that don't know what that is. That's when all the people that own music stores come to buy from the manufacturers. Now, I'm an artist for Hammond, and they said, we'll give you a pass if you don't come to the booth. So I said, okay, that works for
Go to
me.
the Yamaha booth.
And if,
Yeah.
if I don't come to the whole show, will you give me another organ?
Yeah. But I love this piano. I see everybody playing that other one. I go, but this is a great Hammond organ makes the greatest keyboard. Other
make
than,
good ones.
No, I can't say that. It'll make the greatest, but because there's some other people I'm stepping on. But anyway, if you're down there, don't look for me. I'll be probably in the restaurant.
What do we got?
We're going to do a Vince Gill tune. Now, this is an interesting point. I got a picture of Vince Gill in Nashville and Dr. Lonnie Smith, who is the #1 jazz organist in the world, right there, both of them together.
Oh,
and you
great.
never see that
No,
anywhere. I know I got the only picture of it, but Vince Gill, we love old Vince. You want to do one more last chance?
Yep, do it up.
Let's do it in G.
G.
Ready? 1, 2, 1. Standing at the front door, I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling pen in the right. She said, "You come on for the last time, whiskey on your breath. You're gonna listen to my preaching. I'm gonna get you half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. The best that I can do. This good old boy making noise, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through." Where's she hiding my glasses? 'Cause you know that I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. Hear my friends call from my honky tonk. There's a party going on around here. She had my coffee. Forgot about my hold on. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Just a good old boy making noise, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. All pick it. car keys. You know that I can't see. Said they ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. My friends called from Carmine Corner. There's a party going on around here. She may hit my car keys. She forgot about my old John Deere tractor. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. Good old boy, making noise, ain't running around on you. Just one more last chance before you say we're through. One more last chance before you say
One more last chance. How much time we got? Not that I want the time to go by fast, but I'm kind of having fun without a whole bunch of other people up here.
Yeah.
I'm getting to play a lot more, and so I'm kind of going off like a rocket, but I'm having fun.
We're kind of trying out our new technical change here today.
That's right. Dan's the only guy behind the counter back there doing the technical stuff, and I think this is the first time he's flying solo. He always either with Tom or helping Kim or doing something, and Dan did doing a great job, but I will tell you one thing I will never forgive you for. Kim always ends up closing the little fence, the little fence there, and we didn't get that done. But we're going to leave it now. It's okay. It's fine. But
he said he wouldn't have gone.
Hope it didn't hurt us none.
Under construction.
Well, you should have got up.
Well,
and
you could have
fixed
done it. I mean, hell, you're part of the family.
Yeah, get up and fix it.
Pardon
So-
our dust, but put up the fence we must. Yeah, man.
Okay, now you're getting paid. Go ahead. Good boy. Thank you. We run a tight ship around here, don't we? That looked a little better. You going?
No, I was just gonna go. Give me land, lots of land,
Oh,
beneath
okay.
the starry skies above. Don't fence me in.
That was Paxton's song. The old
Shuffle key
Paxton.
E about here. This old smoke-filled bar is something I'm not used to. It ain't much, but I called to let you know I'll be living. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here to closing time. Hey, I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. And stop by and see me anytime you want to. And you can always find me here till closing time. Give me that piano. I got everything I need to drive me crazy. And I got everything in here to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here's just right for heartache. And you can always find me here till closing time. And I got swinging doors, jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime that you're going to. 'Cause you can always find me here at closing time. One more time. And you can always find me here till closing time.
Yeah, now don't forget to share this.
Kind of a rough start there, but we got it.
We need to tell them to share this show.
Yeah, share the show with your friends. Push like and then share. That's what my son Charlie says to do.
I have no idea what the like means.
The like means, I don't know. Anyway, push like and then push share. Just do that. If you can't do anything else, at least do that. That would help us out a little bit.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? We're growing on YouTube, man. Do you know that last week, and we had a lot of hits last week on this show, YouTube, we got more hits on YouTube than we did here. Really? On this, on Facebook. And the way we do YouTube is we record the show as we're doing it here live, and then when Kim usually gets home, she downloads it on the YouTube, on my Facebook, on my YouTube page. And yeah, we're growing on YouTube, which makes me feel just fine.
All over the world.
So does this.
It's all over the world.
Yeah,
So
all over. We might even go to the moon. I
you're
don't
in
know. 'cause
Czechoslovakia and
everything's
you're in
all
the
over the world anymore. All right, Paul, you going?
Yeah. A couple weeks ago, when Matt was here, the wonderful Matt LeMayo,
I love Matt.
we love Matt. I just pulled out this old Elvis song and did it in a kind of a different way, and I'm going to do it again
Do it again.
because this time I'm going to remember the words to the bridge.
What is it? And what key?
Do we know it?
Oh, all shook up. Yeah. Hey. Hey.
Well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a fuzzy tree. Who do you think was wild as a bug? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, my hands are shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Who do you think would have such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, feeling fine. When I meet a girl I love best, my heart beats so, scares me to death when she touches my hand. What a thrill I got. Her lips are like a volcano is hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. gets tired when I try to speak. My insides shake like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine, to have that girl that I love so fine. When she touched my hand, what a chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano is hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm all shook up.
Damn. You gave me a double solo and I only took one. Okay, we got.
Gary had two, so I figured.
Oh, you know what? You did the right thing.
like to
I
do,
did the wrong thing. You did the right thing.
symmetry.
In that song.
There's some kind of
Hey, we got
symmetry there.
about 13 minutes. Gary, you want to do another?
Yeah, I couldn't stop.
I couldn't either.
I was in the middle of Elvis and I just couldn't stop.
Keep doing it.
Okay, this is dedicated.
Hey, these two people are walking on the beach. They're like middle age. They're retired. They're just, bottle washes up, hits the lady right in the foot. She looks down, she pulls the cork off, a guy jumps out. He said, listen, you only get one wish each. She says, I've always wanted to travel the world. I want to see every country in the world. And bang, all of a sudden, both her hands are filled with tickets to every country in the world. And there's a helicopter coming to pick her up to take her to the cruise ship. And he says to the guy, what do you want? He says, I've always wanted to have a woman 30 years younger than me. He said, okay, you're 90. Okay.
Wow, that sounds like something I would have wished for.
So what were you going to do?
Yes. I don't know. Should we try? He stopped loving her.
Do whatever you want.
Okay.
We're having fun tonight.
I don't know if I remember this, but hey, if I mess it up, don't send in $100.
Tell me what key you're in. That'll help.
They would have.
What key?
D. Oh boy. Hold on, man. I have to channel this.
Carmen.
I thought he said E-O-D, dog.
We're doing this at D for all you people playing the harmonica at home. He said, I love you till I die. She said, you get through in time. I watch the years go slowly by. She still preyed upon his mind. Left her pictures on the wall. Went half crazy now and then. He had loved her through it all, hoping she'd come back again. Left love letters by his bed. Dated 1962. He had underlined in red every single I love you. I went to see my friend today. Oh, and I didn't see no tears. All dressed up to go away. First time I'd seen him smiling years. He stopped loving her today. He placed a wreath upon his door. Soon they'll carry him away. He stopped loving her today. Well, she came, and we all wondered if she would. And it kept going through my mind. This time he's over her for good. He stopped loving her today. They blazed the reef upon his door. Soon they'll carry him away. He stopped loving her today. Give me some guitar. Stop loving her today. They placed the reef upon his door. Soon they'll carry him away. He stopped loving her today.
That was good.
That was hard.
Good,
That was brutal.
Your voice is coming back.
Yeah,
It's getting better. Good man.
yeah. Well, next time it'll be twice as good.
Twice. Well, you always sing great. That's why I got him in the band. He always sing. Hey, you. Well, we'll talk about that later. But you might have something fun happening in your life if that thing goes through. So good luck.
Yeah. Well, let's wait till it goes through, because if it doesn't go, then I won't have no fun to talk about.
Well, you know, we got to keep moving forward.
That's right.
So, what are we going to talk about? I'm just standing here, man. I'm really lost for words right
Well,
now.
let's talk about who's going to be on the show next week.
Well, I'm going to call somebody, and
How about Hank Williams Jr.?
I'll give him a call.
Give him a call.
Yeah, okay. If he calls me back, well, we'll talk. Paul,
Yeah,
should I do another one, or you want to do one?
either way.
I'm still waiting on my request. I wrote it
You
in.
do one.
Okay, I'm gonna do.
Jambalaya, I was requesting that for like. And what's serious, folks, something you'd like to hear, just go ahead and write in the comments what you'd like to hear and who you'd like to see.
You know, I got to tell you, every week people write in the nicest things. We get a lot of support. People enjoy what we're doing here. And that's part of the reason we keep doing it. It's certainly not for the money. But anyway, we are having fun. So go ahead, Paul. Hit us.
I'm blue, I'm lonesome.
Great song.
Key of A. 2, 1, 2, 3. The lonesome sound of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome sound of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. in the still of the night, in the pale moonlight, the wind, it moans and cries. These lovesick blues, I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome sound of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome sound of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. Hey, I'm blue and I'm lonesome too.
Does anybody know Route 66?
Not to sing it.
Like a fast shuffle?
Want to just do it as an instrumental?
No. Well, I wasn't thinking that. Do you do Route 66?
Well, I don't sing it, but I know it. Everybody knows that.
Yeah, but we don't know all the words, so we can't sing it. I just.
In
wanted to-
Chicago, the battle.
Route 66, you can sing it, right? One song.
One song, geez, okay. Gentlemen, the star of the show, Carmine Sardo. Over there on the bass guitar, Mr. Paul Marshall. And on the drums, John Palmer. You can't
Good night, folks.